I'd like to mention is this bike here is a city bike. This is the CR bike. This is made for the city. And as you can tell, I live in the country. So we do have paved haulers. So that's where I'll be riding this mostly, is in the hauler. But as you can see, I have mostly grass and gravel. As you can see from these marks here in my yard, I have been riding it in my yard and it goes perfectly fine. Nothing wrong with it. It does bring me up my driveway over there, which is a slight incline. No problem. Has great power. Okay, here's the bike in full view. Now it does have a steel frame on it. And the pedal height here is 120 mm and the hub is 20 inches. The weight of this bike is 60 pounds. So that's a pretty lightweight bike, but it's not too lightweight. The load capacity, which is the weight that it can withstand, is 265 pounds. Now I'd like to point out this seat here. I am a plus size lady and this seat is amazing. It is big enough for my big old butt, so I really like it. Now the riding speed of this bike is going to be around 13.5 miles per hour and the maximum speed is around 15.5 miles per hour. Now this is a city bike, so that is actually quite fast if you ask me. I mean, 15.5 miles per hour, that's pretty fast. Now, the range in the throttle mode is 15 to 35. Let's take a look at the battery. So the battery is located under the seat, so on the back end of the bike. It is a 12.5 AH and the rated power is 350. The rated voltage is 36. So what this essentially is it's going to take you 6 to 8 hours to fully charge this battery. Now mine did come already fully charged. I'm not going to say that for all of them, but this one did come fully charged, which is great. Another fun thing that I like about this bike is the rear fog light. Look at this bike. Look at this light. Okay, it's got a little button here you push to turn the light on. You push it again and you can make it flash. That way people can see you from behind. It is a safety hazard and also a legal reason that you will need these lights if you're here in the United States. Here is going to be your headlight switch for on and off is your headlight, and it is very, very bright. So I do want to mention that this headlight is an LED headlight. So it will make driving in the night much safer and more enjoyable. So you will be all illuminated. For brakes, you got smoother stop hydraulic disc brakes that offers great stopping power and more control over your whole ride. So it has hydraulic brakes on it. Pretty cool. Front and rear disc brakes, and here's all your handles. And for the throttle, it is a half twist throttle. So right here's your throttle. Here is your grip. This is your brake. How you turn this bike on is, here we go. Comes with 2 keys, and here on the battery you have a key ignition. You just flip it to on. Come up here. Turn it on. There you go. And there's your battery gauge. It does go up to 4, so mine is on 3. Here is your gear shift. Now it does go up to 6 gears. You just push it all the way down to get to 1, and to release the gear you just hit that button, which is pretty cool. Another awesome cool feature about this bike, which I absolutely love and think it's adorable, is it has a horn. That is so cool. I love it. I do also love this rear rack here. It is pre-installed. It is ready to go. You can hold cargo back there. You can strap a car seat there. It's quite awesome. If you ask me, this bike is absolutely amazing. So the front end of the bike here has a basket. It does not come with this phone mount. I actually just put that on there, but it does come with this sturdy basket. You can hold your drinks, groceries, whatever you want in there. Okay, all this being said, this bike did come with a bike lock and its own keys, which is so cool. If you're in the city, you definitely need that. If you're in the United States, you will need a charging adapter because the bike comes with a European charger. So you will need to get an adapter, which is like 30 bucks at Walmart. Just pop in there, get you one, you're good to go. It does have a front shock absorber for those bumpy rides, those potholes in the city. And you guys, if you would like to get your hands on one of these bikes, all the information will be in the description box below. Now here is the end of the video. I am going to show you some clips of us driving it. So enjoy watching us ride this bike, and yeah, if you enjoyed this video, give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Bye!